Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add reviews on your Wix website. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, what you need to do is simply open up your Wix editor where you're creating a website. So this is our Wix editor that we get, and I am editing this website and I want to add reviews as well. Adding reviews is really easy. All you have to do is just click on this add button right here, which is available in our Wix menu. Here, the first option is text, but you need to go the strip option. Now, strip has all of the different classic or main features that our website requires. So in here at the very end, we have testimonials. If you go to testimonials right here, then you will get these review options that you can add. Now, testimonial and review are the same thing, so now it depends on you and the layout you want. You can go with this one, then we have this one here. So I'm going to select this one right here, which is a clear review, and I will also be able to add an image of the people who added a review to my website. So I'm clicking on this one right here, and it will be added to my website. And there you go, we have reviews added right here. This is how the reviews will be shown. Now, of course, I can adjust it however I like. If we just want to make it a little bit smaller and move it a bit further down, then this is what it will look like. Now, what we can do is manage the columns if we like, and we can change our background and images as well. The first thing we can do is change the image. So I can click on Change Image here, and I will upload the image of a customer or person who reviewed my website. I'll go to Files and select an image from my library, or you can upload it from your computer. So let's just go with this one for now. Click on Choose Image, and the image will be added right here. Once you have changed the image, of course, you can crop it and place it right in the middle. Then we have the name. So I'm going to edit the text here, and I'm going to add the name. And then at last, we need to edit this text, what they said. You can just add whatever they said. If they have sent you an email, you can copy and paste the text right here, and your review will be added. So that's basically how you can add reviews on your Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.